Welcome to Masteriyo tutorials. In this video, we will learn about how to integrate Masteriyo to WooCommerce. WooCommerce integration add-on for Masteriyo allows the user to use WooCommerce for the checkout process and plethora of payment methods provided by WooCommerce to sell courses. First, assuming you have installed and activated WooCommerce plugin, now let's set up WooCommerce. Go to WooCommerce settings, accounts and privacy. These steps are mandatory, so please follow them. Uncheck allow customers to place orders without an account. Check allow customers to log into an existing account during checkout. An addition setting is we can also redirect to the cart page after successful addition to provide seamless flow like Masteriyo checkout. After that, from your Masteriyo dashboard, go to Add-ons, search for WooCommerce integration for Masteriyo, and enable it. Now, let's create a product in WooCommerce with same as price and product type as in Masteriyo. On your left, you can find products. Then, add new product. Write your product name. Give it a description as you like. Now moving on to the product data, right here, click on the drop-down menu and select Masteriyo course. And select the course you want to integrate from the drop-down list. Also, only draft, published and paid courses are shown in the drop-down list. And you can customize your product details as per your need. And don't forget to publish your settings, which is right here. Now let's go to our courses page. Here you can click on the buy button, therefore the product will be added to your cart. Now let's proceed to checkout. Fill up the form with required information. You can follow WooCommerce checkout process for payments. As for now, I will be using cash on delivery as payment option. You can select other payment options if you have configured them. Place order. You will be redirected to this page with other details. Now let's see if we can access our product or not. As you can see, we are still unable to start the course because the order is not completed. From the dashboard, go to WooCommerce and select orders. And change order status to completed. Now let's try again. As you can see that now you can start the course. At last, by default, whenever the WooCommerce order is of the following types, cancelled, refunded and failed, the user is unenrolled from the course. You can change the unenrollment statuses from the global settings page. That's all for how to use WooCommerce integration add-on for Masteriyo checkout process. Thank you for watching.